notable this offseason has reached a peak, with the Philadelphia Eagles agreeing to trade Carson Wentz, the number 2 overall pick in the 2016 draft, to the Indianapolis Colts, setting up a reunion with Frank Reich. This, of course, according to our Mike Garafolo. According to Mike's reporting, the Colts are giving up a 3rd rounder in the 2021 draft and a conditional 2nd rounder in 2022. This ends the Carson Wentz era in Philadelphia after he was handed a blockbuster contract earlier in his career. Once again,
we're going to be the coach of the Philadelphia Eagles coach. This news just came down. Doug Peterson is out as Eagles coach. This news just came down. Doug Peterson no longer going to be the coach of the Philadelphia Eagles. Further circumstances still to be determined here.